the Vaccines podcast. Vaccines are preparations that are administered to people to generate an active and lasting immunity for some diseases such as coronavirus, hepatitis A and B, rubella, yellow fever, tetanus, influenza, tuberculosis, and many others. Microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria are the cause of this disease, and for some physiological or pathological reasons the human body needs the help of vaccines to fight disease or to prevent the spread of the disease. You may wonder how vaccines work. If viruses or bacteria go inside my body, my immune system will eliminate the agent pathogen. But for some reason, viruses or bacteria are stronger and more difficult to eliminate, and the human body needs some kind of help to produce antibodies and fight pathogens. The vaccines contain very small parts of microorganisms which is called antigen. And this antigen, when introduced to our body, is recognized by our immune system cells, specifically T and B lymphocytes, which will be responsible for analyzing the antigen and send it to other cells so that they slow analysis it and creating sometimes called antibodies, which are the ones that will help us fight the disease. If my body produces antibodies from the vaccines, my immune cell will do eliminate viruses more easily. Are vaccines safe? Vaccines are safe. Side effects are usually minor and temporary, such as sleep, fever, or a sore arm, although there is the possibility or more serious effects. These are extremely rare. If you were vaccinated, it first will take allergic tests to avoid risk. Let us not forget that the vaccines that are available to us have gone through strict tests and examinations in order to begin and are under constant supervision to ensure that they remain safe for you. Why is it important to get vaccinated? Vaccines offer you some resistance to disease. They give your immunity or more resistance to them. For instance, if you had a child, you would go to the hospital with the child to get vaccinated, and that the disease that have always existed do not affect him today, and he can be prepared. By getting vaccinated, you are not only protecting yourself, but all the people around you, such as your family, friends, schoolmates, co-workers, and other people who may not have the possibility to get vaccinated because of certain disease. For instance, if I have my vaccinations in order, I get protection from disease like yellow fever. Vaccines save the lives of about 3 million people every year, and it adds up to each one of us to continue to maintain that number as long as we all take care of ourselves. If you get the chance, you have to get vaccinated to take care of yourself and everyone.